Yo, what's up everybody, and welcome back yet again to another daily update video. My name is CryptoStash and I hope you're having an amazing week. Currently it is Tuesday and Bitcoin is having a correction. We are testing this bottom right here, as you can see, for a third time. We had one test right here, we had one test right here, and right now we are testing this value area low for a third time. As you can see, currently trading below that weekly pivot for Bitcoin. The stock market also did have a correction today, as you can see, down towards this low right here, and it started to recover, and this is exactly where Bitcoin also started to recover. As you can see, this is a very key level. Now once we lose this level, then the next target would be to fill this wick to the downside, but as of right now things are looking good. You can see on the hard time frames we are still at a very key zone level. The altcoins are still looking nice. Ethereum has not lost momentum yet. You can see we did have a small dump, basically almost 10% from this top of the candle, basically from yesterday. We did go all the way down 3,900. Solana also did have a correction towards the weekly pivot. Hype also corrected from $43. It basically went almost all the way down to 36. You can see this is where the weekly pivot sits. Sui also has had a small correction, but as of right now everything is looking good. One thing that I want to say is that in a couple of minutes while I'm recording this video, Powell will be speaking, so I would be expecting some volatility to hit us in the market in the next coming minutes. But as of right now, let's talk more about Bitcoin and my price targets. Basically the weekly, if we go into the weekly time frame, we need the bulls to step in right here at this weekly candle if we want to have a market reverse. If the weekly candle closes around 110 basically, or below the weekly pivot, or right around here, basically the 110, this would be a not good looking candle for the bulls. Basically we want to see if the bulls step in, they should step in soon, basically before the weekly candle close, because if we close that weekly candle body, as I said, it won't be looking good. On the daily time frame, you can see we are still in this range right here. We have not yet broken market structure. We did recover pretty fast after this capitulation event, and right now we are trading below the 50 EMA, as you can see. So basically right in this range right here, and basically we want to see Bitcoin potentially hold this support level. This is the most important level. I did also post this on my X. If you follow me there, you can see my charts almost live. So this is also a very important level for Ethereum. The important level is basically this moving average. You can see we are still above them. I think the last time once we started breaking below the moving averages, you can see the market absolutely dumped very hard to the downside. So this is also something we want to be paying attention to. Solana currently trading above the value area high. You can see right here the Bitcoin dominance. I think it started to push higher today, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, the Bitcoin dominance started to push higher, but right now it is dropping while Bitcoin is recovering from this sell-off that we have had today. You can see right here. So basically the Bitcoin dominance going down is potentially a bad thing, since if the Bitcoin dominance goes down and Bitcoin also goes down, this would also mean that the alts will get very cheap. What we want to see, the perfect scenario for the alt season, is we want to see the altcoins, basically we want to see the Bitcoin dominance start pushing to the upside as Bitcoin is dumping. So the altcoins will potentially remain at those higher price targets before the next bull move start happening for Bitcoin. So basically we want to see, like right here, this move when Bitcoin finds a bottom, then the altcoins will also start running again. Gold is also very high at the moment. You can see right here, basically this is a very interesting. If you look at gold, it hit exactly the last weekly resistance right here. We as you can see, we have our weekly R3 sitting, so gold is still very bullish. And if we look at the open interest for Bitcoin, you can see basically for the move yesterday we had open interest spike up and we have our CVD up, so there were a lot of long positions opening up right around this level. But as you can see right now, open interest is remaining and CVD is going down, which means there are short positions opening up right here, but they are being squeezed right now to the upside. If we look at the liquidation heat map, you can see we do have some liquidity sitting at 116k, which did not get taken out yesterday to the fullest. So I am potentially expecting one push further up towards this liquidation pocket. Also, we do have the Bitcoin ETF inflows. We do have a red day again. Basically, this time it's a big one. We do have 326 million of outflows. The only one that didn't sell was BlackRock and some of these other institutions. The Fear and Greed index is right now at neutral, which is completely okay. Long versus shorts, we do still have more shorts at the moment in the market. Of course, since after the capitulation event, everybody has been feeling bearish. And also something interesting to see, we do have more sellers also on Hyperliquid. So this means that the big whales that are trading there, they are also starting to switch short again. Also, the funding rates are starting to flip negative again on the major exchanges, you can see right here. So this is also not a good sign. And as I said, we do have news. We do have, I think that would be the important news for the week, since on Thursday PPI, I think we won't get any data. And yes guys, basically this will be it for today's update video. I hope you liked it, subscribe for my channel, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.